The intelligent force is the vital impulse that keeps moving. It is that inner energy that allows you to advance and not stop. It is that intelligent power that unites your will with your body so that you can achieve extraordinary things. The intelligent force is a union of mind, body, and spirit, which enhances the longevity of the human being to its fullest potential. When you achieve a stable balance of intelligence force, you begin a process of stability that allows you to return to the center state of lucidity, where you can clearly visualize your opportunities, make good decisions, and project with calm clarity of your desires and projects. The intelligent force is the natural state of human beings and a product of our contemporary lifestyle that we've moved away from, our vital energy which allowed us to evolve among the species and to become the dominant beings. Today, this convulsive way of life, mixed with a terrible diet, has led us, without realizing, to lose our connection with our environment and with ourselves. Thanks to Sanki technology, we can enhance our intelligent force. By reaching our cells, the Sanki products allow our organism to return to the natural state of our body and brings us back to our fundamental balance, which inevitably leads to achieve a longer life. The intelligent force renews your mental clarity. It is that electrical impulse that makes your whole body work harmoniously so you can become the person you're born to be. The intelligent force is vital energy. It is that invisible impulse that makes you aware of yourself and your desires. It is that force that gets you up in the morning to fulfill your life's purpose.